Unveiling the geometry, the crucial role of mathematics in graphic design. In the world of graphic design, understanding the principles of geometry is essential. Geometry not only influences the aesthetic appeal of designs but also plays a crucial role in instructing and organizing visual elements effectively. This presentation will explore the intricate relationship between mathematics and design. Geometric shapes such as circles, squares, triangles form the foundation of graphic design. Each shape carries its own symbolism and psychological impact on viewers. Understanding these shapes allows designers to create more meaningful and effective visuals that resonate with their audience. Proportions and ratios. The use of proportion and ratios in design is crucial for creating balanced and harmonious compositions. The golden ratio and the rule of thirds are two mathematical principles that guide designers in achieving visual balance and appeal. These concepts help in positioning elements for maximum impact. Symmetry and symmetry and asymmetry. Symmetry is design creates a sense of order and stability, while asymmetry can evoke dynamism and interest. Understanding how to manipulate these elements allow designers to craft visuals that capture attention and convey message effectively. Both approaches have their place in graphic design. Color theory and geometry. Color theory inter intertwined with geometric shapes enhance the visual language of designs. Color harmony achieved through geometric principles can evoke specific emotions and reactions from the audience. Designers must grasp how color and shape work together to create impactful visuals. Conclusion. The geometry of design. In conclusion, the integration of geometry in graphic design is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating effective communication through visual means. By understanding and applying mathematical principles, designers can elevate their work to new heights, ensuring their designs are both beautiful and exploring the versatile applications of 3D graphics in modern technology. Introduction to 3D graphics. In today's world, 3D graphics play a crucial role in various fields, from entertainment to education. The versatility of 3D technology enhances user experience. This presentation will explore the diverse application and impact of 3D graphics in modern technology. The gaming industry has significantly benefited from 3D graphics. It creates immersive environments and realistic characters, enhancing player engagement with advancement in rendering techniques and real-time graphics. Gaming experience are becoming more lifelike and captivating. Applications in architectures. Architects utilize 3D graphics for visualizing design before construction. This technology allows for realistic modeling, helping clients to understand spatial relationships and aesthetics. It also aids in identifying potential design issues early in the planning process. Medical visualization and training. In the medical field, 3D graphics are essential for visualizing complex anatomical structures. They enhance medical training by providing realistic simulations for students and professionals, improving their skills and understanding of human anatomy. The next one is the rise of 3D printing technology has transformed manufacturing and prototyping by creating digital models. Designers can produce physical objects efficiently. This process streamlines production and allows for customization in various industries, from fashion to aerospace. Conclusion. Future of 3D graphics. As technology evolves, the applications of 3D graphics will continue to expand. The integration of virtual reality and augmented reality promises to revolutionize how we interact with digital content. Embracing these advancements will shape the future of various